Hello friends, today I am going to show you guys how to convert the low resolution image into a high resolution image with some few simple steps. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the tutorial. First of all, I'll zoom in the image. You can see the image is not in a high resolution, and if I'll go to the image and then select the image size. You can see here the width is 600 and the height is 900 and the resolution is 72 pixels only. I'll press OK. To convert the image into a high resolution, we'll change some settings in the preferences. I'll simply go to the edit and then click on the preferences and then select the technology preview. Here I'll enable the preserve details 2.0 upscale and then press OK. And then again I'll go to the image and then again I'll select the image size, and here first of all I'll select the resolution and change the value of the resolution to something like 300 pixels. You can see the width and height of the image is automatically changed. I'll zoom out the image and see here the image is much better. And then from here in the resample I'll select the preserve details 2.0, and here to reduce the noise I can increase the value, and to decrease the noise I'll decrease the value. Let me zoom in the image a little bit and change the size to something like 12% and then press OK. You can see the image resized. I'll press the Ctrl 0 key to fit the image on the screen, and let me zoom in the image a little bit. The size of the image now. You can see the image resolution change. Let me decrease the zoom a little bit. Now, I want to make the image a little bit sharpened. Therefore, I'll duplicate the layer by pressing the Ctrl J key, and then I'll go to the filter. And first of all, I'll select convert for smart filters and then press OK. And again, I'll go to the filter and select others and then select high pass filter and set the size to something like 8 pixels and then press OK. And then change the blending mode of the image to overlay. Okay, fine. And decrease the opacity a little bit. Okay, fine. You can see now the image is in high resolution and the result is much better than before. I hope you guys have learned something from this tutorial, and if you do then please like the tutorial and also leave a comment and stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.